Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhuvan Sai. I am from class 7. Today I stand here to say about speech about Allur Sitaramraju. Allur Sitaramraju was a famous freedom fighter. He was born on July 4th, 1897. He earned a title of Manyam Virdu. He has plenty of local people support. He fight against British rules. He was a sannyasi and strong believer in justice. In 1922, he started Rampa Rebellion movement. Allur Sitaramraju and his men did many fires on police stations and destroyed many British officers. British officers tied him to a tree and killed and shooted with guns. He was dead on May 7th, 1924. We can learn from him is he sacrificed his life at the age of 27 years. He was a truly unsung hero. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.